Hello. Today we're diving into how the MDS Blender is revolutionizing marine internet connectivity. With 35 years of experience designing electronic systems for large yachts, our goal is to provide an unparalleled marine satellite internet experience, seamlessly blending luxury with top-tier functionality. For superyacht users, enterprise-grade internet is not a luxury but a necessity. Activities like trading, remote desktop access, video conferencing, and high-end gaming require more than just high-speed internet. They need low latency, high reliability, and robust security. The MDS Blender meets these demands by offering high-speed and low latency crucial for real-time applications like trading and remote operations, enhanced security that safeguards sensitive data with advanced protection, and reliable connectivity that ensures uninterrupted video calls and smooth gaming experiences. LEOSat offers impressive satellite internet coverage with good speeds, but can be affected by severe weather. On the other hand, 5G provides excellent reliability and speed, but has a limited offshore range. The MDS Blender cleverly combines both LEOSat and 5G technologies, optimizing connectivity by switching between signals based on strength, location, and weather conditions. In summary, the MDS Blender ensures superyachts enjoy enterprise-grade internet connectivity even in the middle of the ocean, meeting the highest standards for both business and leisure.